Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I'm going to show you how I remove unwanted hair in all the areas, even the ones I will not be showing you on camera. You know, like my trips to the beach. Summer is here and I plan to spend a lot of time at the beach. And the MissPeachy Classic is just the device I need for getting those areas so I don't have hair that's going to show. I researched the internet and I found the MissPeachy Classic. It's an IPL hair removal device. I'm going to show you how it works. I reached out to MissPeachy and asked them to sponsor their video, and I was thrilled when they said they would. It came right to my door in a few days after I ordered it. I opened the box, and this is what I found inside. It was beautifully packaged in this IPL rejuvenation and hair removal instrument package. My way to beauty began with me opening this. It's packaged so pretty, it's great as a gift. The box told me it's a Pro S1 hair removal technology, which is state of the art. I opened the box. First thing I found was a user manual right on top. Then there was the device, and it had a plastic cover over it for shipping purposes. And then there was the device. It's heavyweight, very high quality. I took that out, and then I opened up the next section, which was all the things it came with, and there you see them. It came with a bag to store it in, sunglasses, a shaver, and it has two customized replaceable filter heads. The larger lamp is mainly used for larger areas like your arms, your legs, stomach, and back, while the smaller one allows you to tackle the smaller or tricky areas like your bikini line, your armpits, your lips, my chinny chin. In order to use the device, you need to plug it into a household outlet. Any outlet will do. The red indicator light will go on, showing it's plugged in. This is IPL technology. IPL stands for Intense Pulse Light Therapy. It's different than laser therapy. I had done laser before. It was expensive and it was painful. I've been researching IPL technology because I wanted a really good at-home device to remove my hair. Laser was not going to do that. This MissPeachy Classic IPL is painless. I've been using the MissPeachy Classic on my face and other areas of my body for a few weeks now, but I'm also going to give you a training on how to use it. The technology works like this. Light energy in the wavelength of the light is used to damage that hair matrix underneath your skin and the hair follicles. It does that by heating the melanin within the hair. That melanin is the pigment within the hair. So you need dark hair because it's going to go find that dark root underneath the skin. The IPL has a wide spectrum of light of different wavelengths, so the effect is very good. It's safer and less painful, and it can be used at home. This MissPeachy Classic has unlimited light flashes in it for a whole lifetime. It'll never stop working, so when you get a hair that might grow back, because over time your body will create new hair follicles and they will come through. So when you get a little few of those like I do on my upper lip, then you need to go back and use your IPL again. So the first step is shaving your arm. So I'm putting some shaving cream on my arm and lathering it up. Then you shave the area. I'm doing all directions because I want a really clean, close shave. You got to shave really well and get all the hair off. And my arms are really hairy. And give it a rinse and a pat dry. Ready. Your skin should be really clean and dry before you do the irradiation on it. I'm going to be dilapidating that hair, and that means removing the hair. And unless your area is clean, you could get some redness and burns, and it might affect the effectiveness of this treatment. So shaving is a very important first step. I want to show you this chart. The MissPeachy works best with light skin and dark hair. That's the very best box. But it also covers these other areas, which is darker skin and brown hair. That's all going to work well too. But it does not work on really light hair, red hair, or silver hair. It's not going to work. Or really dark skin. It's just not going to work at all. You need to have kind of middle ranges of hair and skin. It comes with two customizable replaceable filter heads, one for larger areas and one for smaller areas. This is what I use for my more sensitive private areas, and it comes off just like that. So for my arm demonstration today, I'm using the larger head. Turn on MissPeachy by holding it for 2 seconds. After it's on, you can adjust the energy intensity by pressing the power button a few times. Low is hardly any intensity, whereas keep pressing it to get a high intensity. But the higher the intensity will increase the pain level, so you may not want to do that. I'm using it at the medium-low setting today. You need to put on glasses, and they give you really cool glasses because you're going to protect your eyes from the IPL light. So place MissPeachy right in the part you want to start, and then you're going to press the flash button and keep going. It'll take a second to recharge, and then it's going to flash. So in between it recharges, which takes about a second, and we'll do it again. And I move it a little bit down my arm each time to get a different area. It's gotten 4 areas of my arm, and the counter tells me that. Now 5. Every time it flashes, there is a cool gust of air that goes onto my arm right after the flash. That's the icing cooling effect. And that's what my arm looks like after 6 of the flashes. It's perfectly fine. There is no pain whatsoever. And so I just turn it off when I'm done. This is my girlfriend's arm that's come over to help me today to demonstrate this. She's got medium skin tone and she's got very dark hairs. My girlfriend's shaving her arm too, lathering it up. And with a brand new razor, she's gonna really well get all the hair off the area. She's gonna IPL it with the MissPeachy Classic. You would never use an IPL over tattoos or birthmarks or scars or large or dark moles. A little rinse and she's almost ready to go. Here you go, there's a towel. Do not exfoliate your skin within 1 week before or 1 after treatment, as that exfoliation may make your skin more sensitive. Pat, pat, she's ready to go. And I'm gonna do it for her. So on goes the machine and checking on the level. I'm gonna do the same as me. And now I'm pressing the energy button. I'm holding it about 1 inch above her skin, and it's just recharging and reflashing as it goes. And that was the whole area with only 5 spurts of light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not red. It looks terrific. So there we go. It's my girlfriend's arm and my arm. It's suggested to have at least 8 weeks of treatments with a weekly interval because some of the hairs might regrow. Now she's going to have a better effect than me because some of my hairs are very light. Now I'm going to show you how I use it on my face. I'm turning it on with my glasses and I'm getting my chinny chin chin. Let me tell you why. I've been using it on my chin because it's so bad. My chin gets all the little dark whisker stuff. I don't know where they come from. I think it's just age. So I'm putting this right where it's going to be, wearing my glasses, and we're going to see the lights sparkle. And there goes the light. It sparkles. I'm doing it by feel. I probably don't need these glasses on, but I really can't look at the light. That would not be good for me. So I like that I get some cool sunglasses when I'm doing this. And I always finish up with my upper lip. And that's a good treatment. I'm really happy with my MissPeachy Classic Intense Pulse Light IPL system. I hope you like it too. I've been using it about 6 weeks now, and I've noticed that not as many of those hairs are coming back on my chin. That was my worst area. And a very private area for me, as well as how I feel in a bikini, not to have straggly hairs down under. And I really feel cleaner with all that underarm hair as well. I hope you click the link to check it out. Use the coupon code to get $20 off your purchase of it. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. And subscribe to my channel. Make sure you ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today, it's a recipe for being close to hairless, except on the top where you really want it. If you like this video, here's some more about beauty I think you're going to like as well, right over there.